Embedded Questions, Part 1, brought to you by AMSA. Today we're going to do embedded questions for complete beginners. Let's get started. An embedded question is a question that is included inside another question or statement. They are common after introductory phrases such as, I wonder, could you tell me, do you know? Today we're going to do some do you know questions. Using the who embedded question. Honestly, nothing is more ear-shattering than being at school and hearing ESL students who are being miseducated by their teachers who are also ESL students ask me, do you know TV or do you know Fortnite? I guess if both were people, I'd know them quite well. They're not people and they are things. So, the question about an object is going to be phrased differently than if it's a person. Do you know TV? This is just wrong in so many ways. If TV were a person, I just might know them personally. But a TV is an object, a thing, and not a person. So, the question will be phrased very different. Example, do you know what a TV is? Yes, I know what a TV is. Checks out. Another cringy question that I get asked a lot that I just have to correct, just for the record. Do you know Chibi Maruko? Here, Chibi Maruko is a cartoon and not a person. I have heard of the cartoon Chibi Maruko, and I don't believe that I know the cartoon character personally. So, the question will actually be, do you know who Chibi Maruko is? Ready? Repeat after me. Do you know who Chibi Maruko is? Let's do a few more practice sentences. Do you know Tokyo Skytree? The proper question is, do you know what the Tokyo Skytree is? Do you know Draimon? Do you know who Draimon is? Do you know computer? Do you know what a computer is? Do you know Mickey Mouse? Do you know who or what Mickey Mouse is? Do you know Monkey D. Luffy? Do you know who Monkey D. Luffy is? Do you know building? Do you know what a building is?